Yes, good morning, everybody. Good morning. Welcome to today's surprise test, 12th Board and Needs 2020. Yes, let's see for the code for the day. Yes, go to slido.com and use the code 73287. 73287. We'll wait for all the participants to enter into the quiz. Activating the quiz in 3, 2, 1, and activating. Yes, we'll wait for all the participants to enter into the quiz. After that, we will start off with the quiz. Uh-oh. Yes, yes. So go to slido.com and use the code 73287. Yes, starting the quiz in 3, 2, 1, and all your eyes on the screen. First question. Born in 1904 in Jaipur, Rajasthan, he became one of the most distinguished botanists. Identify the scientist. Yes. Born in November 1904 in Jaipur, Rajasthan, he rose. Very good. It is Panjanjan Maheshwar. Yes, it is Panjanjan Maheshwar. Next question on the screen. There is no natural death in single celled organisms like amoeba and bacteria because they can't reproduce sexually. They reproduce by binary fission. Parent's body is distributed among the offspring. They are microscopic in nature. Yes. Guys, the answer is parent's body is distributed among the offspring. Okay. Next question on the screen. Sexual reproductive structure in phylum Porifera is zoospore, conidia, buds gemule. Sexual reproductive structure in phylum Porifera. Zoospore Conidia buds gemule. Yes, guys, it is gemule. Oh, you don't know about that also. Guys, asexual structure in phylum Porifera. You have studied about sponges in class 12, very first chapter, about the vegetative structures, about the asexual reproductive. Sorry, guys, the question was wrong. It was asexual. Okay, sorry. Sorry, it's my mistake. The question was asexual reproductive structures in phylum Porifera. It is not zoospore, it is not conidia, it is not buds, it is gemule. Next question on the screen. The type of gametes formed in staminate and pistillate flower are pollen grain and egg respectively, egg and pollen grain respectively, ovule and pollen grain respectively, pollen grain and ovule respectively. Yes, the type of gametes found in staminate and pistillate flower. Staminate and pistillate. Yes, the correct answer is pollen grain, staminate flower, egg from the pistillate flower. Very good. Next question on the screen. Tapetal cells become binucleate by undergoing endomitosis, endosymbiosis, endosmosis, endometriosis. Tapetal cells become binucleate by undergoing endomitosis, endosymbiosis, endosmosis, endometriosis. Yes, the answer is endomitosis. Sixth question on the screen. What is the ploidy of microspore tetrad cell? What is the ploidy of microspore tetrad cell? Diploid, haploid, triploid, polyploid. 2n, n, 3n, polyploid. Ploidy of microspore mother cell. Yes, the answer is haploid. Next question on the screen. Persistent endosperm is found in wheat and rice, rice and maize, wheat and maize, all the above. Persistent endosperm is found in wheat and rice, rice and maize, wheat and maize, all the above. That is, endosperm is retained even after fertilization. Guys, it is rice, maize, it is rice, wheat, maize. So all the above is the answer for the question. Eighth one on the screen. Yes, simple question. What is the relationship between the number of ovules in an ovary and the number of seeds present in a fruit? What is the relationship between the number of ovules in an ovary and the number of seeds present in a fruit? Number of ovules in ovary equals the number of seeds in fruit. Number of ovules in ovary equals double the number of seeds in fruit. 2 ovules give to 1 seed in a fruit. None of the above. Yes, option A is the correct answer. How many ovules are there in the ovary? It is equal to the number of seeds in the fruit. Sorry. Next question on the screen. Why is it scientifically correct to say that the sex of a baby is determined by the father and not by the mother? Option A, human female produces 2 type of gamete. Human male produces 1 type of gamete. Human males are heterogametic in nature. None of these. Yes. Yes, 100% is correct, because human males produces 2 type of gamete, that is the sperms containing chromosome X and the sperms containing chromosome Y, that is heterogametic in nature. Next question on the screen. What does doctor injected induce delivery? Oxytocin, estrogen, progesterone, both B and C. That is both estrogen and progesterone. What does the doctor inject to induce delivery? Oxytocin, estrogen, progesterone, both B and C. You have to name the birth hormone. That is the answer for the question. Birth hormone. Oh, guys, it is oxytocin. It is not estrogen and progesterone. That is both B and C. Induced delivery, birth hormone, oxytocin for the wild contraction of the uterus. Next question on the screen. Central Drug Research Institute ZDRI is in Lucknow, Delhi, Bangalore, Patna. Yes, Central Drug Research Institute is in Lucknow, Delhi, Bangalore, Patna. Very simple question. Yes, guys, it is in Lucknow. It is not in Bangalore. 12th on the screen. How many genotypes and phenotypes are possible in ABO blood grouping? How many possible genotypes and phenotypes are possible in ABO blood grouping? You have to study both the genotype and the phenotype of the ABO blood grouping. Yes. Guys, there are 4 blood groups, right? That is, the phenotype is 4. A is their blood group, A is their blood group, B is their blood group, AB is their blood group, O is there. That is, in each one, A will come from the genotype IAIA, or it can come from IAI. IB can come from IBIB or IBI. AB can come from IAIB. O can come from small I. That is number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So 6 genotypes and 4 phenotypes. Simple question. Okay, that's the correct answer for the question. Next one on the screen. Phenylketonuria is an example of autosomal recessive trait, autosomal dominant trait, sex-linked recessive trait, sex-linked dominant trait. Yes. Phenylketonuria. Yes, guys, it is autosomal recessive trait. 14th one on the screen. Yes, simple question. What is the difference between DNAs and DNAs? DNAs and DNAs. DNAs is the plural form of DNA. DNA is the plural form of DNAs. None of the above. DNAs is double stranded form of DNA. DNAs will be an enzyme because ASE is there. English question. Option A is the correct answer. You will write like this. Girl, girls. Boy, boys. Exactly like that. DNA, DNAs. Okay, actually the question that was DNAs and DNA should be the question, because in the question there is no mention of the enzyme, right? So option A will be the correct answer. Next one on the screen. Identify incorrectly matched pair. Binary fission sargassum, Conidia penicillium, offset water hyacinth, rhizome banana. Binary fission sargassum, Conidia penicillium, offset water hyacinth, rhizome banana. Yes. Yes, guys, it is correct. Option A is the correct one. Guys, penicillium is the asexual reproductive structure in penicillium is conidia. Water, hyacinth, offset, rhizome, banana. Next question on the screen. Yes, out of NCERT question. During regeneration, dash process involves modification of one organ to another. During regeneration, dash involves modification of one organ to another. Morphogenesis, epimorphogenesis, morphallaxis, accretionary growth. Yes, guys, the answer is epimorphosis. Morphogenesis means modification of a particular organ. Modification, the process of modification of a new organ is known as morphogenesis. Epimorphogenesis means modification after regeneration. Okay, that is a difference. So option B will be the correct answer. 17th one on the screen. Nothing lives forever, but life continues. What does it mean? Older die, but new are produced due to reproduction. Nothing can produce without death. Death has nothing to do with the continuation of life. Parthenogenesis is a must for sexual reproduction. Yes, the correct answer is option A. Next one on the screen. Which of these are found on the eyes of potato tuber? Axillary buds, root buds, flower buds, shoot buds. Yes. Which of these are found on the eyes of potato tuber? Axillary buds, root buds, flower buds, shoot buds. Yes, guys, it's axillary buds. 19th one on the screen. Archegoniophore is found in Funaria, Merchantia, Cara, Adantium. Archegoniophore is found in Funaria, Merchantia, Cara, Adantium. Yes, 10 seconds remaining for answer to this question. Yes. Yes, it's a majority answer. Merchantia. Archegonia 4 is found in Merchantia. Next question on the screen. Simple question again. Functional megaspore in an angiosperm develops into endosperm, embryo sac, embryo, and ovule. Functional megaspore in an angiosperm develops into endosperm, embryo sac, embryo, and ovule. Yes. Yes, it is embryo sac. It's never embryo. Next one on the screen. Which one of the following statements is not true? Pollen grains of many species cause several allergies. Stored pollen liquid nitrogen can be used in the crop breeding program. Tapetum helps in the dehiscence of anther. None of the above. Yes. Yes, guys, option C will be the correct answer for this question. Guys, yes. Next question on the screen. Filiform apparatus is the characteristic feature of alluron cell, synergids, nuclear embryo generative cell. Yes. Filiform apparatus is the characteristic feature of alluron cell. Yes, I could see Nila and Dinesh on the chat box. Yes. Yes, correct answer, Nila. It is option B, synergids. 100% of you guys have voted for the correct answer. Next one on the screen, you have two more questions. Flowers are unisexual in China rose, onion, pea, cucumber. Yes. Flowers are unisexual. China rose, onion, pea, cucumber. Yes, guys, it's cucumber. It's cucumber, not China rose. Flowers are monoecious, unisexual in cucumber. Next question on the screen. Coconut water of a tenter coconut is innermost layers of seed coat, degenerated nucellus, free nuclear endosperm, immature embryo. Yes, yes, guys, very good. Free nuclear endosperm. Next, last and the final question on the screen. The dash contains enzyme needed to penetrate the oocytes, urethra, acrosome, prostate, vas deferens. It's not vas, it's vas deferens. Okay, it is vas deferens. Yes, guys, perfect. It is acrosome. Next, leaderboard on the screen. Top with 24 on 25, Pranav 22 on 25, SK with 22 on 25, OM007 with 21 on 25, Payal Kakid with 20 on 25. Yes, one question. Yes, anonymous, he served for me. Yes, deactivating the quest. Thank you, everyone. Yes, we have Vaishnavi, Pranav, SK, OM, Payal, Chaudhary, Guru, Usma, Selainanti, then Jocelyn, Ansh, Harni Dev, Aishwarya, Rituja, Ponnus, Neela, then Kriti, Mufika, Shireen. All these persons, 18 people actually, and these persons only one deactivating. And thank you, everybody. Thank you.